This video is different. No, we are not at RPM Garage, and I know this is not a car react. I kind of just want to tell you what's been going on in my life, and how is everyone? My name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I would love to make this at RPM Garage, but I've been kind of busy recently, and I kind of just want to give you some update on what's up with me, and what's going to be upcoming. First of all, I'm doing great. How are you guys? I've been very busy. I've been catching up with friends from college, trying to stay in touch with some people. It's been great. We're back on the grind. Everyone's back in college. For you guys that don't know, I am in college. I am in Full Sail University. It's a college in Florida. I'm taking a gaming business and esports management degree. It's gonna take about 2.5 years. Yeah, honestly, that's kind of it. But I've kind of just been chilling, working on a lot of car reacts. Don't worry, the car vlogs, the car meets, the car challenges, everything else is coming back soon. Give me like 2 weeks. The reason why I say basically the next week, this upcoming week, we're about to have a freeze, bunch of snow. Things are gonna be shut down. So that's gonna be fun. Snow in Texas, we usually get ours once a week. Not once a week, that's insane. Once a year, around this time. I do love the snow. The snow is really, really, really cool. I'm not the biggest snow guy. Like I said, I do live in Texas, so we love I like the heat. I'm a summer boy, summer guy. I love surfing, I love skateboarding. Snowboarding, skiing, But yeah, how are you guys? Leave a comment below. I'm just curious. How are you guys? Leave a comment below. But yeah, no, we've been doing a lot of React content, and I really enjoy making the content. It's been wild. It's been really, really wild. I never knew I would be doing React content. I never really wanted to do it, and then I was just like, let's just give it a shot. Here we are today, 30K subs. And I kind of want to say thank you for everyone for 30K. That is insane. I never knew I would be this far in my life. We're gonna try to hit 100K subscribers by the end of this year. I am grateful for all of you guys. So for you guys that don't know a little bit about me, I never really talk a lot about this. I'm a Christian. I love spreading my faith. I usually don't talk about it, but I am. I have a language processing disorder. So things in my brain, I can't actually you'll see. I can't actually like project it out. And then I have ADHD, so that's really it. But yeah, no, car react content, it's been killing it. Y'all better go show love to my other my actual real life videos. I kind of wanted to do gaming content, like that's car related. Please let me know. I know y'all probably don't want me to, but when Forza Horizon 6 comes out, I guess I could make a whole separate gaming channel for that. But I really don't want to, and I feel like y'all might want to see that. So please let me know when Forza Horizon 6 comes out. I really want to make content on that, because I think that'd be so cool. And it's car related. I really just want to do into gaming content that's car related for this channel. I've done a couple of videos. I really wanted to let you know. So I'm probably still going to do it. Yes. Well, I'll be back. Sorry about that. I had to pick my grandma from her appointment and stuff. Yeah. But what was I talking about? I low-key kind of forgot. Car vlogs are coming back. Car meets are coming back. I'm now a React YouTuber. Honestly, I really don't know what I was gonna say. But do you guys want to see a bit of a room tour? I've never really done this. I've shown this on my other channel, which is my vlog channel. Go check that out, link in the description below. And let's get to it. And here is my room. This is where all the magic, the editing, all my videos comes from. So let's kind of just start off So for my lighting, I use a ring light. I'm gonna soon move this to here, so you can actually see like the full top of my head. Because, well, you only see one side of my face. But yeah, no, I use OBS as my recording. I have an Elgato face cam deck. I for a stream deck or something like that. where you can do a dual PC setup, so that'd be pretty cool. So this is the gaming PC, and then the streaming and the recording will be on this. But honestly, this is a monster PC. I kind of forgot the specs on this PC. Not joking. I know it has like 16 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabytes of storage. So not a lot. This is a baby PC. It's like a 5040. It's a very old PC. I got this PC like 3-4 years ago. Not joking. I have a K70 keyboard, Corsair keyboard. I'm gonna get a ARM soon, but I use a Razer mic, and then mouse. I forgot the Corsair mouse. I low-key forgot it. And then this video is actually sponsored by W. Are you a gamer that is looking for an energy drink that is healthy? It doesn't have sugar, none of that bull crap that you see in a lot of these energy drinks nowadays. W is right here for you. W is healthy, no sugar, no red 40, none of that bull crap, of that garbage stuff that you see in these energy drinks nowadays. They got plenty of flavors. Right here, I'm rocking the blood orange. Yes, they do have anime collabs, so if you love anime, go check it out. Right here is the bleeding orange Chainsaw Man. I am not the biggest anime guy, but these are delicious. They got plenty of flavors. We got Tiger's Blood, Blue Raz, Galaxy Grenade. Never had it yet, but we're gonna be trying it, don't worry. So make sure y'all use code TCREW to get 10% off your order. I appreciate it. It's very healthy, very delicious. You can also use this during other work experience, gaming, whatever. It's very refreshing too. They also have hydration drinks, so go check it out. Links below. And thank you, W, for sponsoring today's video. Talking about this baby right here. So I got this for my birthday, and this PC, it did its use for like I said, 3-4 years. It was getting slow. I was basically pushing out like 1 to 2 videos a day, and I was just like, I can't be doing that. Come on. I really want to wrap up. That's not making me grow. I am not sponsored by any of these other brands, but brands, if you guys want to reach out to me, email, and I'd appreciate it if you guys do sponsor me. Thank you. I love Corsair. I really do. I also have a Lord of the Rings mouse pad. I love Lord of the Rings. Big nerd. But yeah, onto the PC in itself. I really have never done this. This is a very different video, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Don't worry, we'll get with the cars later. There are cars here, don't worry. But yeah, with this PC, this is I forgot the name of the PC itself, but it's a power spec PC. It has a 5080 graphics card, GeForce RTX 5080. It has a Lalani cooling system. It has 2 terabytes of data, an i9 Intel core. It has 64 gigabytes of RAM, and I could still legit spec this PC out more. There's still a couple of brackets in there. This thing is a beast. I can legit now upload 8 to 10 videos a day if I wanted to, but I gotta wake up at like 6 o'clock for that. Yeah, no, I love it a lot. Lilani. We got this at Micro Center, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, but this is my room. Sorry for it being a little messy. I am not the cleanliest. I'm not the cleanest person. I'm a very messy person, but don't worry. That is one of my goals by the end of 2026 is to be more clean. This is my car collection, my Hot Wheels. I've had these since I was a little kid. We got a bracelet, Romans 12:2. Love this verse, very good verse. But by the way, I will put all the stuff. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what kind of desk this monitor is. That is my fault. And then we just have a small TV. I need to get an actual monitor. But I also have a controller down here, and then we got a Down X gaming chair. This is very comfortable, very warm too. But everything you've seen in today's video, link in the description below. And then I don't know if you care about GoPro stuff, but if you do, cool. But yeah, all the Hot Wheels, cars. We got a Batwing, big Lego guy. I need to dust this off. Fun fact, I legit dusted this like a month ago, and it gets very dusty that fast. We got a Batmobile, my Chihuahua. I didn't throw this away. More Legos. We got some Yu-Gi-Oh cards, some Pokemon cards. That's my Pokemon card binder right there. More garbage down here. Cords. Yes, it's messy. We got a Richard Petty autograph. I guess poster, not poster, but like picture. So that's pretty cool. We got a couple posters right behind here. This is the Italian car section right here. I know it's covered by a bunch of instructions. I don't know if that helps. Sports stuff for school. This is my goals. I want to accomplish in 2026 for this year. These are some of them. Most of them are on my phone. There's the 911 Porsche 911 Turbo. And then a Lycan Hypersport right there. Here are my other posters. We got an Enzo Ferrari. We got a Lamborghini Diablo and a Lamborghini Gallardo. And then we got Porsche. I got this at the state fair. This is actually pretty rare now, apparently. Beverly Hills. I'm a big California guy. I love LA. I don't know. I agree LA is gross and disgusting. But for some reason, the Beverly Hills and everything in LA just felt so nice. I love LA. I love LA so much. I need to go Miami and see if I love that. I probably will, but I'm an Aggie. I did not go to the college, but I'm a big Aggie fan. Most of my family is from A&M, so that's cool. And then Route 66, so. And then, boom, RPM Garage Me. This is my senior photo right here. And then we got a Ferrari. This used to be up there. I don't know what happened. Let me see if I can pop it up real quick. So this is what it's supposed to be like. So I'm a big fan of Porsche, big fan of Ferrari. So, boom. And honestly, that's kind of it for the videos. All Magic of Making. I don't think you want to see my closet. Shoes. It's messy. So, yeah. Honestly, that is really it for today's video. I just kind of say, hey, what's up? Car vlogs, car meets, car videos will be coming back out. We're just in a bit of a winter season, so I appreciate it. And you guys should go check out my other channels. I don't know if you guys knew I had other channels. I have a vlog channel, so it's me without talking about cars. I'm about to create a new channel soon, coming out Saturday, so stay tuned for that. I'll give you a sneak peek. It's something about reacts, so go check that out. And then I have two gaming channels. I have a Minecraft channel, which I post once a week, and then I have a gaming channel, which I post every single day. So go check that out. Oh, I forgot about these up here. I'll show you real quick. But go check them out. Link in the description below, and subscribe to them, please. All right, so right here is the top section. I forgot to show you this. I got this at a wedding, so this is the map of Telluride, which I thought was pretty cool. This is for a wedding, so this is pretty cool, and it has like my custom name plate and everything. Big Star Wars fan. Very dusty up here. This is like a kyber crystal, so there's only like I think 43 of these made, and I have one of them. Like a kyber crystal. It's nothing really special. I know it's fake and everything, but it's just cool. You know what I mean? Big Star Wars nerd. And then we got the Mercedes. And this is the Lewis Hamilton's old Mercedes. Pac-Man machine, but doesn't work. Batman, big Batman fan. We got my two squeaky toys. Recently, my dog has passed away, and it's been very tough on me. This house feels very, very quiet without him. It's really the little things that hurt. Like no dog scratching at the door, no dog coming into my room just for the food. It's really the little things that hurt. So, and these are his two favorite squeaky toys, and I'm gonna put them out of submission. We're gonna buy new ones, but when I get another dog, I'm just gonna make sure these can't be used because my childhood dog is dead. But I know that was dark, but got my Lamborghini Gallardo, almost a Diablo. Actually no, that's a Mercy. Oh jeez, Alex. Gallardo, yeah, Super Leggera. Okay, very dusty. We've got a Slayton S7 and then a Porsche Turbo. Actually, Porsche 911 Carrera. And then we got Dom Toretto's car right here, and then Paul Walker's. And then behind it is an old retro Star Wars. This poster's from like 1980s, 1990s. This is from Empire Strikes Back. I know you can't see much, but trust me, it's pretty cool. I think my aunt got me this at like a thrift store. You can find some cool things at thrift stores. So, yeah, that's really it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the behind the scenes of all the magic making and everything. And go check out my channels, and please subscribe so we can hit 100k subscribers. I'm going to try to create some ideas and do something in between. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell, and have a blessed day.